Hi everyone! Welcome back to our KOSO kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today, I'm going to show you how to make matcha green tea latte using our KOSO. Our KOSO is fermented beverage from Japan. It is great source of prebiotics and postbiotics to support your gut health. And you get variety of nutrients as our KOSO is made of more than 100 ingredients. It's fermented over a year, so it's easier to absorb nutrient. Fermentation already did part of your digestion for you. Matcha green tea is strong grounded green tea. You probably see matcha green tea latte at your favorite cafe or local grocery store. It is high in caffeine, which is strong antioxidant, which protect your body from oxidative stress, keep you healthy and young. It also supports your immune system. It might help weight loss because caffeine boosts your metabolism, so you use more energy. Matcha green tea contains caffeine, but it doesn't cause energy crash like coffee because it also contains L-theanine. L-theanine helps your body relax. So combination of L-theanine and caffeine gives you long-lasting energy. This matcha green tea latte will give you steady energy, help you focus, support your immune system, gut health, digestion, and it increases your metabolism. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. All you need is matcha green tea powder. I have 1 teaspoon here, and any milk you like. I have almond milk here today. You can use regular milk. You can use oat milk, coconut milk, anything you like. If you don't want milk, you don't have to add milk. You can just use hot water. And I have our KOSO and hot water. First, you mix matcha green tea with hot water. If you don't have a whisk like this is for matcha, you don't have to use this. You can use any kind of whisk. This works very well with matcha powder because it's very fine. But if you don't have it, you can mix green tea powder and hot water in a blender, or you can just use other whisk you have at home. If you like, you can add spice, like cinnamon goes very well with matcha green tea latte. You can mix cacao powder as well. If you want to mix cacao powder, you can reduce amount of matcha green tea a little bit. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of our KOSO here and mix. If you don't have a steamer, you can just boil milk. If you want a cold, you can add ice and cold milk. This is a great drink to have in the morning. It's not too sweet. If you like sweeter, you can add a little bit more KOSO, or you can add any sweetener like honey, maple syrup, anything you like. Hope you like the recipe. If you want to learn more about our KOSO, please visit our website. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.